Yeah, sorry for not having sorry for not having any sound, but hey, welcome back. This is Mudison Skylord! Holy crud, the music is loud. Oh. Yeah, I know I said I wouldn't be doing the same crap over and over again, but I actually have no room to... No, I don't want to do that. No, fine. But anyway, I'm going to play this. I'm going to delete some crap off the phone and pretty much play some other stuff. But I've got some stuff coming up, so hope you enjoy. You know what? I'm going to turn off this music. Yeah. That was pretty annoying. So anyways, how was your day? Mine was great. This is probably a very awkward conversation topic. Those of you who saw my welcome to my channel video know what my face looks like. But I am so broke that I can't even afford something to have my face be looked at. But probably I might find it, but I haven't found the right app yet. Alright, but I have some questions. How come? Alright, you are running all over the place with trains. Alright? You're jumping on trains, you're walking on trains, you're dodging trains left and right. Alright? But one moment, I'm probably going to make myself trip at some point. Right? For a fat guy, how do you even run that fast? Sorry for sounding offensive, but that's my question. With how fast you run, you probably should have lost some weight. And there's another question. Why are there coins in the middle of the railroad? You don't want people running into trains. You probably shouldn't even dropping some cha-ching in the middle of the road. But of course it's game logic, so who cares? Yeah, this is what I mean by, for a fat guy, he runs fast. Yeah, so I'm going to try to be unlocking characters left and right. Probably not going to be on this game constantly. Oh, okay, now I'm dead. Yeah, you probably saw the previous crap that I put on, but, yeah. Yeah, I pretty much wasted all of my keys. Making sure this guy in the red cap stays alive. I'm probably going to be boring you with the sound of my lovely voice. It sounds very boring, but if you have any apps that you suggest of me playing, then put it in the comments. I want to try new crap out. Make sure that all of you are entertained. But of course, I have no idea how to work the webcam on the PC. Otherwise, I'd be playing something other than just a phone app. And once I figure out how to do that, well, yeah, once I figure out how to do that, I am going to start playing some indie games. Well, that was a very idiotic move of me. Well, that's nice. I got a beanie. No. Which I probably only have a couple days left. Maybe not. Which you guys in the comments are a lot smarter than me. Very smarter. But if you want to, go ahead and check out my DeviantArt. Creeperbox in all caps, CREEPERBOXX. Double X. Well, ignore the last part, yeah? It's got 2 X's instead of 1. You know, Because I am unique like that. I swear, these trains are all over the place. How long is this train station? How long is this train station anyway? Wow. Oh God. Well, I'm dead. That was fun. That was very fun. Okay, I probably should have mentioned that the phone app has to at least be free. Because I do not have any money. I seriously don't. So, no Five Nights at Freddy's for me, okay? No me trying to dethrone Markiplier. Yeah, that's right. I want to dethrone the king himself. Yes, that's right. This is getting... No, no you are not. No you are not. Huh. So, how's your life going? Yeah, mine's fine. It's just not too fine. We've got cats to adopt out. Any of you want cats? Any of you want cats? Put in the comments if you want a cat. Otherwise, I'll link you up to where my mother is, and she'll give you a cat. Well, that's if you're a good person and not someone who's going to eat it. Or be mean to it. Give it plenty of... Okay, you know what? Might as well waste that key. Yes. Never trust me with your keys. I shall waste them on meaningless stuff like this. I'm pretty much saving my life so I can go longer and pretty much be more annoying than ever. Yes, I am annoying. I admit I am annoying. Come on, I believe in you! Yes. I need faster reflexes. My wimpy baby fingers cannot handle this. Apparently that's so because the faster the game goes, pretty much more of the ass fuckery I go through. Fuck! Well, that's the end. I hope you had a wonderful time viewing this and have a nice day. Until then, stay creepy, my friends. Bye!